Here we go. Another day out on the KX. Time to get a ripping. Oh man, that would have screwed me up on the first ride with the KX here. Clutch work, baby. Alright guys, so we are making it over to our Enduro single track, as we called it last time, because conditions are nasty in the winter. We got big ruts that are like 3 feet deep. This time we're going to try and hit them a little bit better. See if we can't be more efficient in getting to top of the ruts, or out of the ruts, I guess. Oh man, I love this trail. Holy smokes. That was probably the flowiest trail I've ever hit on the KX. Alright, new trail. Haven't been up this one before. Apparently it's a one-way and it's a loop. Let's see what it's all about. There's a hill climb somewhere in here apparently. We go uphill, then we go downhill. Makes sense, right? What goes up must come down. Alright, I don't want to get stuck behind my friend here. What's your...
so heavy.
Huh?
I just don't have the strength in my fingers to keep this girl happy.
Oh, that's something you need to work on in life, pal. It's a skill that...
Good thing she's only a two-stroker.
It's a skill every Padawan must learn. Alright, well, on to our Enduro single track. It's going to be fun. Should be a little bit easier, a little bit drier, but definitely going to be rutted out. Onward!
Onward!
Here we go. Back out. Going to the single track. We're going to see if we can't get through it faster, be more efficient in some of the obstacles, and actually have a plan in hitting them instead of just let it rip and hope you get over. This is cool. It's like a little learner's area. Man, every trail today has been super flowy. And we've done trails I've done before on the KX. So I think, again, I'm just getting more and more used to the bike. Alright, and we made it. First obstacle is actually getting into the single track here. Pick it up to the left more.
Oh wait, no, I got myself.
Dang, this is tough. Mainly because of that rock. Oh, I see. Oh yeah. Much easier. Alright. First obstacle. Already way more efficient than last time. First part of the single track. Pretty technical here. I see that more people have been through here, rutting it out. All right, here's the hill. Oh no, he's stuck. Put some muscle into it. You can do it. My turn. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Now we make our way to the other part, and that's where the real fun begins. We saw that last time. Oh boy. This is gonna be fun. But it's still flowing, as you can see. Oh, great. Oops. Oh. Oh, nice. I got over it. There you go. There you go. Go, go. Oh. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Yes, sir. One last log. Yeah. Another log. There we go. All right. Obstacle number 2.
Almost. What if this one has become harder than the other one?
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, my front brake lost pressure. It's good now.
Is it coming back?
Yeah, that's weird.
You probably got a stick in there that split the pads. Sit on it, then Superman it off and ghost ride it.
What'd you say? What'd you say? That's what I thought. All right, have fun. Yeah.
I see, it's gotten a lot deeper than since last time.
Yep. Now you just get set on your skid plate. Now dump the clutch and just pop the wheel up. Go. Ah. Let me try.
Go for it.
I say we just pull it up. All right, here we go. Finish the rest of the single track here. Man, that rut was a lot tougher than last time. Tip: do the most technical trails in the beginning of the ride. That is going to do it for today's video. Oh man. That was a little bit harder than the last time. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like on this video, share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it, and of course, make sure you're subscribed for all the action here. If you're into motorsports, you're in the right place. So with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.